If you're considering buying Helpjuice for your business, there are 12 key things you need to know before making your decision. While Helpjuice is a great tool for managing support tickets and knowledge bases, it's important to weigh it against other options like Freshdesk, Zendesk, or Help Scout to make sure you're getting the best fit for your team. The first thing to know is that Helpjuice is known for its intuitive knowledge based software. It focuses on making it easy to create, manage, and organize articles, which is crucial for self service support. Compared to competitors, Helpjuice stands out with its powerful search functionality, ensuring customers can find answers quickly. However, if you're looking for a tool with extensive ticket management features, you might find Zendesk or Freshdesk more suitable for your needs. Next, you should be aware of Helpjuice's pricing structure. It's more affordable than Zendesk, but can get expensive as your team grows. The pricing is tiered based on the number of users, so if you're a small team, it might be a good choice. But for larger businesses, it might be a bit on the pricier side compared to other platforms like Freshdesk or Help Scout, which offer more scalable options at competitive rates. The third thing to consider is its integration options. Helpjuice has integrations with popular tools like Slack and Google Analytics, but it doesn't offer as many integrations as some of its competitors. If you need a wide range of third-party tool connections, you might find platforms like Zendesk or Freshdesk better suited to your workflow. Next, Helpjuice offers a clean, easy-to-use interface for both agents and customers. It's very straightforward for both sides, which means minimal training for your team. However, when comparing it to other tools like Help Scout, it's not as flexible in terms of customization. If customization is a top priority, other platforms might be a better fit. The fifth thing to note is the analytics and reporting features. Helpjuice offers analytics, but it's relatively basic when compared to other tools like Zendesk, which offer more robust reporting to track ticket trends, agent performance, and customer satisfaction metrics. If data-driven insights are crucial for your business, this could be a downside. Now let's talk about customer support. Helpjuice has a reputation for offering fast and helpful customer service. However, some users have reported issues with response times during peak hours. If you need 24/7 support, Zendesk or Freshdesk might offer more consistent availability. The seventh thing to know is that Helpjuice allows unlimited articles and users on its basic plan, which is great for businesses that need flexibility. But if you're running a smaller operation and don't need such extensive features, simpler options like Help Scout may offer a more streamlined experience without the added cost. Next, Helpjuice security is another important factor. It provides standard security features like SSL encryption, but if you need advanced security protocols or compliance, platforms like Zendesk offer more robust enterprise-level security features to protect sensitive customer data. The ninth thing to consider is Helpjuice's knowledge-based structure. It's designed for easy internal collaboration, but it lacks some of the more sophisticated features seen in other tools like Zendesk's ticket management system. If you want an all-in-one solution for both tickets and knowledge management, you might prefer a platform that combines both seamlessly. Next, if your company requires multi-language support, Helpjuice might not be the best option. While it supports some languages, it's more limited than some competitors, like Freshdesk or Zendesk, which offer more comprehensive multilingual support for global teams. The 11th thing to consider is the trial period. Helpjuice offers a 14-day free trial, giving you enough time to test out its features. However, if you're looking for a platform with a more extended free trial or a freemium model, options like Freshdesk offer free plans with core features that can scale as you grow. Finally, Helpjuice is a solid choice for businesses that prioritize self-service customer support through an organized knowledge base. But if you're looking for something that offers more comprehensive ticket management or broader integrations, it might not be the best fit. Overall, Helpjuice is a great option for businesses with a strong focus on knowledge management. But if you want a better solution for a more complete support experience, check out our recommended alternative. It's free to try, and you might find it suits your needs even better.